Hey friends, Lucien here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to show you my second trade that I made today with American Airlines. You can check back on our YouTube. I did a video earlier today. You'll see I kind of got in on this candle right here. I saw this kind of flag formation setting up in anticipation of a break of high of day of 1332. I got out at 1359. So if you look at a 1 minute chart, you'll see I was in right over on, let's go back over here. Right over in on this candle, I was looking at anticipation of the break of this hammer to see if it was going to move towards high a day. It kind of went up a little bit right here. I thought, again, stayed in it because thought it was going to break high a day. It didn't. It came right back down and retested this 20 EMA. So it wasn't the greatest entry, but I used that 20 EMA as a guide, so I didn't let it shake me out. And you'll see it kind of curled around, price stayed above the 20 EMA and then above the 9 EMA. And right in here would have been even better of an entry. So my entry wasn't that great on it, but I stayed in on it. I didn't let it shake me out. And then I got out right over here way too early. But again, remember guys, hindsight's 2020, right? It's so easy to be like, oh my God, look at how much profit I gave back, right? Or how much more I could have made. So I got out on this indecision candle right here because, you know, I was happy. It was a nice, decent scalp, 36-cent scalp, and the thing just, it ripped. So needless to say, I could have just stayed in on 5-minute candles. If you look at the 5-minute candles, guys, I got out on this one. Look at all these bullish candles. But it's see stuff like this with like American Airlines, the bigger kind of stocks with the big money behind it. That's why I don't necessarily play around with it too much, because then you get stuff like this, like these huge candles that can come in. And when you have the big money behind it, that's why like I'll scalp it. I'm not going to beat myself up if I didn't, you know, get more profit. Again, we always say you don't get broke, you don't go broke taking a profit, right? So that's where, again, obviously you could have seen, you know, I could have held all the way up to here, but also too, remember, like these candles, I had an earlier entry, so I had the luxury that I should have or I could have stayed in this longer. But if, let's say, I bought out here and then I see, oh, this is a great bullish candle, then this is what can happen. So if you get an earlier entry down here, you could ride it up like this and stay in it. So that's where I got shook out. But hey, not bad for still a 36-cent profit. And then I just took another trade while I was outside on my mobile device, on my iPhone. You'll see I got in at the break of this kind of this doji looking candle up here, or spinning top candle. Now you got to be a little bit more careful trading on your phone. Again, larger stocks I'm not as worried about, but especially with small cap stocks, you got to be very careful. So I was looking at the break of this, break above this candle for a push up. So I got in right here at 1486. So here's a perfect example of, now again, it's a little more difficult to trade on your phone and place the orders, and you know, I'm using the Thinkorswim app, so you know, it takes a little bit more steps rather than using hotkeys or just buying the ask, selling the bid. So I got in up over here, and then I saw, you know, so this had a bullish candle right here up to 1514 or 1524, and I was looking for it to move up towards high a day. So I stayed in it another candle. It did. It broke the high of this candle, and this is where, again, you know, I didn't see it. I was like trying to get out of the trade, so you could I missed this, or I saw this candle. I got out over here, and you can see they actually brought it all the way down to almost my entry, just a few cents above, and then it pops back up again. Remember, guys, hindsight's 2020, right? It's either easy to kick yourself and say, well, it went back up. Well, what if it didn't? What if they dumped it all the way back down, right? So, and I was doing it on my mobile device, so I'm not going to be upset about this trade right here, getting in at 1486. And I got out right around that 1508. So again, they could have brought it all the way down here, and that would have given back all my gains. And then obviously, again, hindsight's 2020, right? It's still going up. Now I could have just held from earlier today, but I'm more of a scalper trader. I'm doing a lot of stuff with bullish bears and making videos and blog posts and stuff. So I don't really have the luxury to just kind of sit all day and look at stocks. So again, here we go. Looking at this one, and it's ripping, and I look at it and I'm like, oh, it's in at 13.23 today. I should have just held. I would have 15.56, right? I mean, that's over a $2,000 trade, but it is what it is, guys. You'll see again, the first trade I made was about 36 cents, and then this one was what's that? 22 cents. So what was it? 36 plus 0.22 equals 58 cents times 1,000 shares. So I made 580 bucks today just scalping American Airlines twice. All right. So hopefully, and I also did a JetBlue one. I made a video on that one. I'll post later as well. So I did a 13-cent scalp on JetBlue today. So hopefully these videos helped you. I'll do my best to keep making more for you guys, and I'll see you all later. Enjoy.